Talk, 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 talk. Ay, mali, may feathers. Pok! Joke lang po, hi, hello? Kumusta kayo at na-miss ko ang Laguna? My name is Miss Yuki Ito, a 16-year-old stunner. Wow! 17-year-old stunner. 18? No. Okay, it's not about how old or how young you are. Dahil ngayong gabi po, labanan ito ng ganda, talento, at talino. Kaya naman po, I am wearing this beautiful creation of Mr. John Lim, a modern sad manok costume that represents our brother and sisters from the Mindanao. Ladies and gentlemen, ang tanging hiling ko lang po ngayong gabi, nawa ay makarinig kami ng palakpakan at hiyawan mula sa inyong lahat. Once again, this is Miss Yuki Ito, a baby girl of the night. Thank you!